Okay. Alright. Part two. Part two of my first video. Homemade air handle and condenser control box for this RV air conditioning unit. So I just finished up connecting. I'm gonna test it right now. I have the thermostat here, and thermostat is on cooling. I'm sorry. Thermostat is on cool. Probably for cooling. Auto. Outdoor temperature is 80. So I'm gonna tell the thermostat to start the compressor and the fan. There we go. Alright. So calling for cooling. It's blinking. It's gonna take like 5 minutes or so. It should start it should kick the compressor should kick this relay right here, and then the fan, which is controlled by this box here, which has the Goodman air handle fan control board. The air handler or air handler. The air handler control board. Right, Goodman. The fan control board. It's been a long day, guys. Sorry, a little bit tired. I still gotta put all this part together when I finish. And before I finish, I'm sorry, put all this part together, put it in that space right there. And I think I'm gonna have to make another video part 3 when everything is all together and running and all the parts together. I just wanted to make a video now. Wanted to make a video now about the parts connect and the blower motor running and the compressor running. It's an old unit, trying to help these people, and I could not find the board. The board is bad. It's right here. Is Comfort RJ11 connectors, which are not good at all. They go pretty bad. Go very bad pretty often. And evaporators is dirty. Alright, got compressor. Fan. I'm going to turn it off. There we go. Part 2. Homemade control board that controls the compressor and the fan, the blower motor fan. Alright, so basically the low voltage transformer 24 volt, that's it, it's in here, control the high voltage to the compressor and to the fan. It's a high speed for the fan, the live, which is white, and blue, which is the ground for the compressor, and the common for the compressor and the fan. Alright, thank you for watching, and be ready for part 3 when I going to seat all the parts here, make it nice. I have to clean that car and that evaporator. So this is all for now. Thank you for watching. Alright.